herring under a fur coat is the second most popular salad for every holiday in Eastern Europe. We will need herring, but if you can find it, you can replace it with salted salmon. How to salt salmon you can find in my other video, link will be above. We also need onion, boiled potatoes, carrots, beets, eggs, and mayonnaise. You can layer the ingredients in any order you like, just don't make the layers too thick. First, grate all the ingredients using the grater. Cut the herring into small pieces. Mine is already deboned. Make sure there are no bones left. Now let's assemble the salad. The first layer is potatoes. I lightly salt them and drizzle a bit of vegetable oil. Then add a thin layer of mayonnaise. Next I add the herring. Then goes the onion. The next layer is carrots. Spread little mayonnaise on top as well. After that comes the beets. You can also lightly salt them. And another important tip: if your beets are too juicy after grating, just squeeze out the excess liquid with your hands so the salad doesn't become watery. Then add a little mayonnaise. I don't use too much. And the final layer is eggs. They give a beautiful top to the salad and also add a more interesting flavor. The salad can be eaten right away or stored in the refrigerator. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. And share in the comments your own version of this salad, or if you tried making it for the first time, I'd love to know if you like it.